Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to give my personal findings and analysis on aviation sector because there is a great news behind this aviation sector. With respect to the recent announcement by Tata Sons Limited, the Tata Sons has announced that they are going to make a great merger between Air Asia and Air Asia India. I mean to say that Air Asia India and Air India Express, two separate entity, they are going to merge with each other, and they are going to target a great business in this country. So before going to those details, I would like to say a few points about the trading tips platforms operated by Bull Street through WhatsApp. So we have a trading tips platform is known as Superfans Option, in which we give low budget option trading tips in stock option in live market with entry price and target price through WhatsApp. The subscription to join Superfans option is 7,999 per month. The capital requirement, working capital requirement to join the Superfans option is limited to 10k only. A sum of 10,000 rupees can be treated as startup capital, in which we give stock option trading tips. I mean to say that using 10k, one can take a single lot, a double lot, a triple lot, sometimes rarely 4 lots of stock option at stocks. That means that that much level we give low budget option trading tips as well as penny level option trading. So that is the highlight of this Superfans option. I used to say three kinds of highlights in Superfans option. The first one is I said this, so working capital is 10k, 10,000 rupees can be treated as startup capital. And second highlight is there won't be any loss at all. See, most of the people used to trade with, they used to execute one buy order and a target order, sell order, and in between these two, they used to put stop loss order. But we don't do that. Instead of that, we used to employ a safe trading method. So because of this safe trading method, we will not meet any adverse situation, we will not meet any loss at all. So this is second highlight. Third highlight is if a person joins the Superfans option, he is renewing the subscription month after month. So he wants to stay with us for a longer period to have a great fortune. So this is the third highlight. Now we go to the video. The Tata Sons announced that there is a merger between Air Asia India and Air India Express. So both will be after merger both this will be treated as a low budget airline. So this will be an alarm for that Big B who is bringing out this Akasa Airlines. Now coming to this Tata Sons announcement, I can see that there is a great potential to invest in airline stocks. Not only the investment, the airline stock can be treated as stocks which will give money out of trading. So here there are 4 stocks I can say. The one is the Interglobe Aviation. The Interglobe Aviation is a stock. You can consider this stock purely for F&O trading, stock future as well as stock option, because this Interglobe Aviation will give a massive growth on either side from like 3% to 7%, sometimes rarely 12%, up to 12%. So Interglobe Aviation can be treated as a high momentum, aggressive stock for trading and particularly swing trading. And the other 2 stocks are Jet Airways and SpiceJet. Though Jet Airways and SpiceJet are loss-making entities, these stocks can be considered. And one day, if there is any takeover of these stocks, the Jet Airways and SpiceJet, that will be a great opportunity for money making, for long-term wealth making. So one can park their surplus money in these 2 stocks, Jet Airways and SpiceJet. And seasonal trading also, one can do trading with the Jet Airways and SpiceJet stock. And another stock is Global Vectra. Global Vectra is a helicopter company. This stock can also be considered along with this other 3 aviation stocks, because when this business will shoot up again, this Global Vectra may also have some kind of business opportunity and the stock may go up. So this is about the aviation stocks. So I can conclude that, remember, make yourself familiar with this Interglobe Aviation stock and trade this stock with guts in F&O, particularly the stock option segment. Remember, I am not recommending this stock. Disclaimer is purely apply. So if you want to make consistent profit, you can subscribe to Superfans option. Suppose you have a capital around 1 lakh rupees. If you are willing to travel for a period of 1 year, if you are willing to trade selectively in stock option, you can subscribe to Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips Magazine. Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips Magazine is not for retail investors, retail trade. It is purely for higher level, high profile and HNI investor traders. The subscription level will be that much because the return will be that much. In Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips Magazine, we used to give the double money trading tips, triple money trading tips, mini jackpot trading tips, and occasional jackpot trading tips. These kind of trading tips will be given whenever market permits, whenever market allows, whenever there is an opportunity in the market. So if you fall in this category, you can subscribe to Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips Magazine. Otherwise, you can subscribe to Superfans option because the subscription is very low, 7,999 per month only. You can remit the subscription by Google Pay, Phone Pay, Amazon Pay, Paytm to our WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number is given in the description box as well as in the comment box. Thank you very much. I am Vijay.